Today my topic is communication principles. This is the first class. This is very useful for CSIR NET and WBSET exam and all other competitive exam, and also this class is helpful for honors level and MSc students. So I think all of the students please watch the class sincerely and practice at home minutely. So this is my first class. So come to the actual topic. Today my topic, that is modulation and types of modulation, and here we discuss that is amplitude modulation, that is AM. So of communication system, in communication system we have to know some parameters. High frequency wave, that is known as the carrier wave, and a low frequency signal, this is known as the modulating voltage or input signal, or we have to say that is modulating signal. These are the essential for communications. First, we have to come to know what is the amplitude modulation. So, amplitude modulation, it is a process by which the amplitude of the carrier is varied in according with the instantaneous value of modulating signal, keeping frequency and phase of the carrier remain constant. So here, that is amplitude of the carrier changed with respect to the signal when the phase and frequency remain constant. This process is known as the amplitude modulation. So here, let the carrier wave, that is V equal to Vc cos omega ct plus theta, and modulating voltage Vm dash equal to Vm cos omega mt. So Vc is the carrier frequency and omega m, that is modulation frequency. So here, that is omega c, that is carrier frequency, and omega m, that is modulation frequency or modulating frequency. Next, we have to know, that is hence the amplitude of the modulated wave is, that is V equal to Vc bracket within bracket. So V equal to Vc, so V equal to Vc, that is 1 plus Ma cos omega mt cos omega c into t plus theta. Maximum amplitude of the AM wave, that is Vmax equal to Vc 1 plus Ma, V minimum equal to Vc 1 minus Ma. So in this equation we can get, that is Ma equal to Vmax minus V minimum by Vmax plus V minimum. So this is known as the modulation index. So it is also called, that is degrees of modulation. So a wave is fully modulated if that is Ma equal to 1, that is 100%. And next, that is frequency spectrum of amplitude modulation wave. So we know that is V V equal to Vc cos omega c into t plus theta plus ma into Vc by 2 cos omega c plus omega m into t plus theta. So again we can write in this format. Here that is sideband component. So sideband component, that is omega c plus minus omega m. Upper band, that is omega c plus omega m. Lower band, that is omega c minus omega m. So band wide we can write, so upper band minus lower band, so we get that is 2 omega m. It is known as the channel wide. So total average power associated with the carrier and the two side band, that is P average equal to Vc square by 2r 1 plus Ma square by 2. So power associated with the carrier, this part is carrier, so Vc square by 2r. So power associated with the two sides band, that is Vc square by 2r into Ma square by 2. So if we divided, that is if I divided in this equation we get that is the value PSB by P average equal to Ma square by 1 plus Ma square by 2. So that is 1 by 1 plus 2 by Ma square. So for 100% modulation we get that is Ma equal to 1. So we get 1/3. Hence only 1/3 of the total power is contained in the sideband components, and 2/3 that is means 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3. 2/3 of total power lies in the carrier. So signal, so a single sideband, that is SSB, contain 1/6 of the total power. So value of RC required for detection with tolerable distortion, that is RC less than equal to 1 by omega n into Ma into root of 1 minus Ma square. When the modulation index is small, we can write that is RC less than equal to 1 by omega m into Ma. So this is the concept of the amplitude modulation. With the help of this concept, today I have calculated one numericals, that is if the maximum and minimum amplitude of the amplitude modulation waves are 10 and 5 respectively, the modulation index, that is we can calculate it. So Ma equal to Vmax minus Vminimum by Vmax plus Vminimum. Here the Vmax, that is 10 volt, Vminimum, that is 5 volt. Putting the value in this equation, we get 1/3, that is 0.33. So we get that is the answer, that is option C. So today's class is now completed. I think this class is highly helpful for all of the students. Please watch the video, like, share and subscribe, and also send the link of my channel to all your friends. Thank you all my dear students. Thank you all my dear friends.